Hello. Today I will tell you about investing in dogecoin cryptocurrency. Many investors in the digital market prefer to invest their finances only in proven and reliable cryptocurrencies like EOS or NEO, which already have a large amount of capitalization and trust from many users of the world. Such assets have a competent development team and very serious support, which allows the project to remain stable even during a market correction. What is dogecoin cryptocurrency? Popular and large blockchain companies, most often, cannot bring super profits to their investors since their assets are already quite expensive. Therefore, it is not worth considering them as a highly profitable instrument for investing your funds. At the same time, there are lesser known projects with relatively small capitalization on the market, which large investors prefer to avoid. However, together with a small amount of capitalization, such cryptocurrencies often have an interesting idea and serious growth prospects. One such project is Doge with its personal currency Dogecoin, Doge, which no one has taken seriously before. It is believed that this digital asset is a parody of a real cryptocurrency, which was created just for a joke. There is a legend that Doge was invented on the 4chan image board and was actively promoted by its users. However, during the growing market in late 2017, early 2018, when all digital assets reached their peak, dogecoin was able to grow in capitalization to almost $2 billion, and its price rose from $0.0002 to $0.016. This fact makes it clear that the Doge cryptocurrency is not just a dummy or some kind of fraudulent project with a funny image of the famous red-haired Shiba Inu meme, which is so widespread on the internet, but a brand that has been steadily entrenched in the market with good growth prospects in the future. And today, in this video I will tell you more about the dogecoin project, its interesting history of creation and the main idea of this cryptocurrency. And he will also answer the question: is it worth buying Doge cryptocurrency in order to increase the investment portfolio or not? Dogecoin analysis. So, first, let's take a look at coinmarketcap.com, which ranks the best cryptocurrencies, and explore all the highlights regarding the dogecoin coin. This digital currency ranks 44th on this list. The capitalization of the project is now over $270 million, and the price per coin is hovering around $0.03. The total issue of coins is 115 295 107 610 Doge. It is also worth noting that the Doge asset is indeed a unique cryptocurrency with its own personal blockchain and not any token. In addition, this currency can be mined, which gives it a chance to further develop in the future due to miners mining this asset around the world. The history of dogecoin creation. The dogecoin cryptocurrency was created back in 2013 by two programmers, Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. At the very beginning, the developers did not even know each other, each of them tried to do their own thing. However, already at that time, they were both interested in cryptocurrencies and the new blockchain technology. After Palmer acquired the official domain of the dogecoin website, dogecoin.com, the developers united among themselves and decided to create their own blockchain project. However, Palmer and Marcus decided not to take this idea too seriously, considering this idea just some kind of joke. This can be proved by the fact that the main logo of this coin is a meme, a dog of the Japanese Shiba Inu breed, which was so popular at that time. The project began to be implemented quite quickly. In 2013, Marcus was already engaged in the creation of his own cryptocurrency, so the start of the creation of the coin was already laid in advance. The developers took the Litecoin blockchain as the basis for the Doge currency, making changes in the time between blocks, which is 1 minute, in the Litecoin network from 2.5 minutes, as well as during the reassignment of the difficulty. As a result, having slightly tweaked the Litecoin code, the developers created a completely new digital asset with their own unique blockchain. On December 9, 2013, dogecoin was able to rise in value for the first time, jumping up almost 300% in just 3 days. From $0.00026 to $0.00095. This event happened primarily due to the fact that the main cryptocurrency Bitcoin and all other digital assets opposed China's decision to ban national banks from investing their funds in various digital assets and blockchain projects. But despite such growth of dogecoin and its first appearance in the masses, after that, quite difficult periods began for this coin, which continually undermined the credibility of Doge. So, after that 300% increase, the price of this asset dropped by 80% in a few days, and all because the miners took over this network, receiving huge rewards in the form of Doge coins for relatively small computing power. On December 24, a large Indian bank openly stated in the media that all Doge users should not trust this project very much, that this is a common fraudulent scheme. This news, of course, had a very negative impact on the company's reputation. But that was not the end of Doge's problems. On December 25, a massive scam occurs, during which millions of coins of many investors were stolen from the official Doggy Wallet portal. One hacker was able to hack into the system and change all transfers of funds within this network to his static address, to which all funds of investors were transferred for some time. To help those who lost their finances in this incident, the development team announced a charity operation called Save Dogemas, in which anyone could donate their share of Doge coins to a fund of investors who lost their funds during a hacker attack. As a result, after a month all the lost funds were returned, and the hype around this incident subsided. 2015 also had a significant impact on the Doge blockchain project. After Jackson Palmer left in 2015, there were a lot of negative rumors in the digital market about the further death of the Doge project. At that time, this cryptocurrency had a very difficult period, which led many investors away from this project. However, despite all the difficulties that the Doge community endured, this project was able to survive and continue to exist to this day in the digital asset market, continuing to participate in a tough competitive selection. The main idea behind dogecoin. First of all, the dogecoin project was created for ordinary people. It was planned that it would be really useful to everyone and, most importantly, it would be available at its price. After all, many users simply cannot afford such a currency as Bitcoin. Dogecoin is currently used in many industries. Its main purpose is to conduct various charities and to support sports teams from various poor countries. Also, this coin can be used by users to transfer their funds among themselves, exchange for other cryptocurrencies, or for withdrawal to fiat money, purchase goods and the internet, pay for services, etc. In general, the Doge asset can be thought of as the universal currency of our time, which you can use for your needs in a variety of areas. It is worth mentioning separately about the community that uses Doge coins. Since this cryptocurrency is mainly needed to attract funds from users in order to organize various charitable events, the bulk of investors in this asset are very positive people who believe in goodness. That is why they strongly support all the ventures of this cryptocurrency and give it a chance to exist to this day. Emission of coins and currency mining. The total emission of Doge cryptocurrency was initially equated to 100 billion coins. However, the developers decided not to stop at this number and specially created the blockchain with the function of artificial inflation, which will independently increase the total number of assets by 5% annually. This fact can be considered both a plus and a minus of this digital asset. On the one hand, a 5% increase in total emissions will only postpone the growth of the Doge price in the future. On the other hand, miners who mine this cryptocurrency will actively promote it, increasing demand for Doge because they are given the opportunity to receive about 5 billion new Dogecoin coins annually. In general, it is rather difficult to state unequivocally about the usefulness of the artificial inflation function. Where to buy Dogecoin cryptocurrency? You can buy Dogecoin cryptocurrency now on almost all the best cryptocurrency exchanges without any problems. There is enough supply-demand for this asset. The main reason why Dogecoin is bought is the ability to exchange it for many other digital assets within many exchanges. And even the total volume of sales per day from all exchanges is about $5 million. The second reason for using Dogecoin is to transfer funds between exchanges. The commission for the withdrawal of Doge is much lower than for the withdrawal of Bitcoin or Ether. That is, if you want to send cryptocurrency from one exchange to another, then it will be cheaper and faster to do it in Dogecoin. The main platforms that trade large amounts of Dogecoin are FX, BitZ, HIC, but you can also find this coin on exchanges such as Poloniex or Bittrex. How to store Dogecoin? You can store your purchased coins both on the trading platforms, where you bought this asset, and on the official online wallet, which can be registered on the dogechain.info domain. This service is very high quality and reliable. In addition, there you can see all the information about the state and history of the network, previously mined coins and processed blocks, pools on charts. One of the safest ways to store Doge is the Ledger Nano hardware wallet. This unbreakable offline wallet costs little money. It can be ordered and received by mail. Doge course. The Dogecoin cryptocurrency rate usually never exceeds several dozen Satoshi. Many traders find an opportunity to make money in this, as if a coin cost 20 Satoshi and then began to cost 30, this means 50% return on investment. Even if the Doge rate has risen by only a few Satoshi, then due to its low cost, it will already be a few percent of the profit. This way you can easily double your investment, or even triple it. Conclusion. Should you buy dogecoin in 2021? Summing up the results of today's article, the conclusion about the dogecoin cryptocurrency can be made as follows. The Doge project is not commercial, and it was not made to make money. The decentralized blockchain company Doge was created primarily for ordinary people who want to purchase cryptocurrency for little money and use it to buy goods, services, participate in various charity events, etc. And even despite the fact that the project consists of a kind of positive community and the logo is a funny dog, dogecoin is supported by many investors in the world who just won't let this blockchain project disappear from the digital currency market. The reliability of the company is also evidenced by the fact that the Dogecoin is supported by many large exchange platforms for trading cryptocurrencies like Poloniex or Bittrex, which simply do not add failed and unpromising projects to their list. In general, you can safely purchase Doge for long-term storage in your investment portfolio, since you can buy currency on almost every trading platform and store it on an official wallet. Last year, this cryptocurrency was able to show a very good growth in value and total capitalization, and in 2021, when the market correction ends, this coin is waiting for the continuation of this trend, which, possibly, will bring you the coveted profit of several 100%. While you have a chance to purchase many Doge coins at a price of only $0.33, however, in the near future, the price of this asset will surely rise to $0.35 per coin, and maybe even up to $1.